Hello everyone. Are you looking to set up a robust, professional-grade online ordering system for your restaurant? With our premium TastyIgniter installation and configuration service, you can sit back while we handle the technical complexities for you. We'll install and configure TastyIgniter on your Linux server, ensuring seamless integration with the LEMP stack for optimal performance. From setting up essential extensions like cart, coupons, reservations, and payments to customizing key features like menus and user management, everything is tailored to your unique business needs. Our service also includes database setup, secure SL implementation, and server optimizations to guarantee. Whether you're launching your first online ordering system or upgrading an existing one, we'll deliver a ready-to-go platform designed to delight your customers and streamline operations. Get in touch today on Telegram or email to elevate your restaurant's online presence with TastyIgniter.